case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1886, the United States Supreme Court heard the landmark case of Yick Wo vs. Hopkins, which centered on the government's obligation to treat all people equally under the law, regardless of race, color, or nationality. The case involved two Chinese laundry business owners, Yick Wo and Wo Li, who were arrested and imprisoned in San Francisco for operating in wooden buildings, violating a city ordinance that required laundry businesses to be located in brick buildings. This ordinance was selectively enforced against non-white business owners, while white owners were allowed to continue operating in wooden structures. The case was first presented to the Supreme Court of California and later to the United States Supreme Court. In their review, the Supreme Court determined that the ordinance allowed for arbitrary and discriminatory enforcement, violating the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The court disagreed with the previous interpretation by the California Supreme Court and held that the ordinances were indeed unconstitutional. As a result, the U.S.-China Treaty granted Yick Wo and Wo Li equal rights, leading to their release from prison and a return of their case to a lower court for review. This historic ruling established a precedent for equal protection and prohibited discriminatory laws that violated the 14th Amendment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.